Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to locate engine block heater in 2013 Hyundai Veloster. This is gonna apply to Hyundai Velosters made from 2011 and all the way up to 2017. So you will have to open your hood and check on the driver's side of engine compartment. Now this cable can pretty much be anywhere in the engine compartment, but I'm just gonna show you. So this is the end of it that you need a plug into the electrical cable, and then if you follow the cable, that will go somewhere down there in the engine block. So it's most likely, if you own this vehicle, your engine block heater cable is gonna be on the driver's side of the engine compartment. Mine was stuck in this corner here, but again, yours can be maybe on this side, anywhere pretty much on this side. So yeah, let's go all the way from here to down there into the engine block. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.